Greetings, everybody. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel, Robk Reacts. I'm Rob K, and I react to music every day of the week. Great stuff. I stream on Twitch music as well, and I do stream gaming off and on as well. But if you're new to my channel, all the music requests in this channel are all requested reactions. So by all means, leave a comment, leave a link in the comment section, and we'll roll with it at some point, hopefully down the road. We're rolling with super furry animals coming in today. Placid Casual, I believe it was, had requested this. I'm just going to verify that. Yeah. So I did a video yesterday and it got blocked worldwide. I did the one that you posted in Discord. The guy don't give a fuck or something. Fucking loved it, man. But it got blocked worldwide. It could be because I had full screen video and me small, which I find I get blocked often with that format. Just more video data being sent. So I'm going to try this format today, see how it pans out. If it works, great. But I will link in the top of the description box underneath the original source for this video. I'll put the BitChute link for where I did copy my backup channel, where I copy it up to. So you can at least see the reaction from there. It's off of YouTube, so check that if you're into it. Okay, let's roll. Super Furry Animals, Hello Sunshine. Hopefully we get this one uploaded. Let's roll.
So hard to say goodbye, meaning it today. I've said goodbye before, leaving you alone by the sea.
Okay, so going to take a pause for the cause, which does seem to help with copyright. Because I feel they got pretty tight control of the copyright. I don't see a lot of people, I didn't see anybody reacting. Dogs are out today, reacting to their stuff. And I didn't see any videos outside the channel, pretty much, of this channel, without really searching heavily. So, yeah, we got to take that pause. But yeah, it's different sound than what I heard yesterday. And yesterday was something different than I thought I was getting into. So I loved yesterday. This is just the audio only. There's some image, a bit of imagery, but it's fine. Get to hear audio only. We'll see how she pans out. Let's roll.
So hard to say goodbye.
Hello, sunshine. Come into my life. Hello, sunshine. Come into my life. In honesty,
Thank you for that song.
since we've had reason left to smile. Hello, sunshine.
All right.
Come into my life. I'm a minute. You're a minute too.
Okay, got to take another pause just because, yeah, just trying to avoid the block. I don't mind a copyright claim. It's just that crazy block. So, yeah, nice sound. Still a little different. I loved yesterday's video. I loved it. So if this gets up, by all means, check in the description box for the BitChute link for the video I uploaded to there. Outstanding. So different again here, but I'm not able to see him. But it's nice hearing just the audio, nice and clean. Nice upbeat there, kicked up nice. Really smooth. Enjoying a nice mellow tune. As I saw yesterday, anything can happen. So let's see.
I'm a minute. I want to live with you. In honesty,
one last pause for the cause. Just thinking, hey, if this gets blocked again, I'll just link and sync a video. Get it out that way. That's 100% guarantee. Currently, no copyright issues at all. And no stopping of the video, which is great. But yeah, Open got a good feeling. Old school, this soft, melodic, soft tail tune. Far cry from what I saw yesterday, man. I'm blown away from what I saw yesterday. I loved it, man. Really enjoying the sound of this too, as well. Outstanding. Let's roll.
Hello, sunshine. Hello, sunshine. Hello, sunshine. Hello, sunshine. Come to life.
All right, how about that, man? Super furry animals rolling through my channel once again. Hopefully they can make it through the door this time and don't get locked by the crazy doormen. Said, no, you can't enter. Let's see. Got my fingers crossed. Bands ready. Crowds ready. Let's see what happens. Outstanding. Good stuff. Plastic, thanks for saving me out for that. And like I said, we'll see what happens after this upload. We'll move forward from there. I'll keep you posted in Discord. Guys and gals, hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think. Once again, Super Furry Animals. I'm pretty sure I had one video of them I did earlier, a few months back. But yeah, once again, check my BitChute link for the one I did yesterday. Got blocked. Guys, have a great day. Love you all, man. Thanks for checking me out. Appreciate it big time. Take care.